guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are doing a shopping haul, and this haul is from my Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. So if you want to know what I got from Ulta this month, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so how do you like my new setup? We are in a totally different corner. It's still Terry's corner, but in another part of the home. I got kicked out of the master bedroom. No, just kidding. Basically, I felt like I wanted some change. I wanted to declutter my master bedroom and just have it more of an oasis rather than a workspace. And so I felt like, you know what, it's time to move. First off, I just wanted to quickly mention that I got a gift from Tea Runners, and they are a tea subscription company, and they just simply wanted me to try their teas. And I was thinking, I love teas. Actually, my first preference used to be coffee, but now I've switched to teas. I feel like it's better for my stomach, my gut, just healthier wise. And so yes, so I've transitioned into teas. So Tea Runners is a subscription company. They have 4 curated boxes, but the best thing is that you can customize the type of teas that go into those boxes. So it's fully customizable. You can cancel anytime. They have several options. You can either do a monthly subscription, a bi-monthly subscription, or even a tri-monthly subscription. And so they have everything for you that suits your budget. These are all loose tea, guys. And for each subscription, you get to choose 4 items or 4 different flavors. And for each subscription box, you get about 30 to 40 cups in each box. So how amazing is that? That's a whole lot of teas. So let's go ahead and open her up. I love the box. I love what this box says. And basically they contain the finest teas from all over the world. They have a theme this month. Very fitting, a pumpkin spooky October theme. And then on this card, it gives you the link on how to properly steep your teas, as well as information about your teas and how to customize your subscription. So I love that. And then you can tear off the tissue. And let me just get this out. In here you get 4 different teas. I've opened the salty caramel pumpkin black tea. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of black tea, but this one is amazing. It's basically a dessert tea. When I tasted this tea, I wanted to put like boba and extra ice. I think this is one of those teas that you want to have cold. So next time I make this, I'm definitely gonna make it kind of like a boba drink. And I love that there's a window in there. And for each packet, you can easily get about 8 to 10 teas, depending on how strong and flavorful the tea leaves are. Altogether, you could get about 40 cups worth of tea. So not bad, right? So this is the salty caramel pumpkin black tea. I've got the orange jasmine blossom tea. I love jasmine tea. It's orange flavored, like hello. Definitely screams fall. And then I have the Northern Lights tea. This one is caffeine free. It has chamomile, peppermint, spearmint, all that stuff. Here's the front packaging, but then also I love the window that shows you the tea and the kinds of tea leaf inside. So love that. And then the last one, I went kind of like a fall theme, guys. I picked the apple cinnamon French toast. I don't know, I think when I was picking this, I was craving French toast, and so I had to get it. But all of these are amazing choices, and they have so many other wonderful choices. Definitely check them out if you love teas. And guys, stay tuned, because I am probably working with them again, possibly next month. And hint, hint, there might be a giveaway. So I know you guys wanted to check out my haul, right? Recently, Ulta had their annual sale of Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. And of course, I did a haul. And you've probably seen some of my hauls on my Instagram already. These shopping hauls are usually in collaboration with Jessica Myros, but then I got so busy that I didn't meet the deadline on the collaboration. But I do support my girls. I support Jessica. So I'm going to have their playlist link in my description box below in case you're interested. If you guys love to see what people got, that is a playlist for you. First item that I got is, and guys, I've used it already, okay? It's been a while. This is the Making Bank by Morphe palette. I think it went on sale for like $10 or something, and so I had to. Morphe, inexpensive but good quality eyeshadows, and hello, this is everything's fall, right? All right, let's just swatch a couple for you guys. Got the yellow, just kind of the colors that I gravitate towards. There's some deep shades right here. Ooh, this blue. I think the blue and yellow is kind of what just made me want to get this palette. So love that. Next item is a skincare item by Elemis, the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. All right, guys, you guys know Elemis is an expensive brand. It's an amazing skincare brand, and I had to try it. And I actually got one for my sister-in-law too, because she said she loves like any kind of brightening skincare, and I feel like this is the no fuss kind of serum where you just wipe it on and you're done for the day. So I love anything that are like pads, sheet mask, eye mask, eye patches, skincare pads. It's like you put them on and you're done. You just throw it away. And so I really love the convenience of this. This was again half off during the Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale. Always, you guys, always check out my channel for the sales, and I love to save my subscribers some money. Next one, I had to restock on my Urban Decay all-nighter. It's so funny how my skin has changed over the years. Now my skin is a little dry, a little too dry sometimes for foundation. When I used the all-nighter, I loved that it was kind of mattifying, but it wasn't mattifying enough. Now it's like perfect. I'm at this skincare stage where it's a little dry, and just a little bit of extra dewiness really helps that makeup shine. I've gone through so many setting sprays. I realize at this point in time, this is the one for me. This is the setting spray for me. Actually, when I had oily skin, I really enjoyed the ColourPop one in like an orange bottle. And so now that I have more dry skin, the all-nighter, guys, is perfect. I think I got it for like $12 when it's normally, I want to say 20 something dollars. Okay, the next item that I bought, again on a sale, guys, half off. The Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Makeup with Broad Spectrum 45. I never thought I'd start looking for like a hydrating, moisturizing makeup. Like those words are never in my makeup routine, but I had to. Like all the other foundations that I have now are a bit too drying for me, and I want mine to be looking more like natural skin, glass skin, and not like a cement on your face. And so I love this. This one has SPF 45, and I was thinking summer, but also during the winter time, it's perfect. Now this one is a little too light for me right now. I'm hoping that I get lighter during the winter time, but who knows? You know, I'm naturally tan anyway. I have been mixing this with, I will have the name right here. I've been mixing it with a darker foundation that I have, and together they both have SPF. Together they work amazing. I actually have it on, and as you can see, I look poreless, I look smooth, and yes, I love this. I love these two. And even by itself, I would say this is like a medium coverage. And I think it's perfect for those winter or no makeup looks. Next item that I got, I haven't used yet. The Clinique High Impact Lash Amplifying Serum. The more I dive into makeup, the more I realize how these oldie brands, they're not old, but they're like I want to say old is like not a good name for them. They're like brands that have been around for a very long time, but there's a good reason for that. And I'm starting to realize that they give results. So there's a ton of makeup brands out there, and I feel like sometimes they're not worth the hype or the money. But Clinique, guys, every time I use them, it's just been good. I think they're not as exciting to the makeup lovers because maybe their palettes aren't colorful enough. They're more on the neutral side, but when it comes to like skincare, just healthy, good for you ingredients. So I highly, highly recommend Clinique. And so I had to try their Lash Impact Amplifying Serum. I love the packaging, by the way. Oh my gosh, look at that packaging. Super pretty. I'm afraid to open it, but I'm going to use it tonight. So yeah, we're going to use it. Ooh, look at that. So that's what it looks like. It has like a flat kind of silicone brush. And I think you apply this on your eyelashes to help it grow much faster and just have more volume and just help you thicken your lashes. So I'm excited for that. I can't wait to try it. I will update you guys. All right, let's just go straight to the MAC lipsticks. Okay, I stocked up on MAC lipsticks, guys. I bought more than these, but these are just the sample colors that I got. Okay, there's 5. Let's start with, so this is Taupe. And it's like a brownie nude. I also got Whirl. That one's a popular shade, Whirl. Oh my gosh, it's starting to look like Taupe. But I think this is more on the plummy nude, and this one has a brown undertone. Also got Ruby Woo, which is, I think, one of these. Yeah. Honestly, guys, I've tried Ruby Woo. It's like a classic red from MAC. But I think this is amazing on lighter skin tones, not on me. I feel like this color actually emphasizes the dark lining around my lips. I like kind of like a bluish red type of color, but I got one because they were on sale. But I also got one for my sister-in-law who is much, much lighter than me, and I know she would appreciate that. So if you guys have lighter skin tone, this is your red. For us, like medium to tan, I feel like it's a bluish red is what's perfect for us. And that is, I will have it here somewhere. Like, that's my perfect red. That's my go-to red from MAC. You guys are getting a bonus here. You're getting like my top faves from MAC lipsticks. Now, this one is new to me. Spill the Tea. I thought I wouldn't like this, but I do. And then this one is Get the Hint. Get the Hint. Oh, yeah. I said I would return this, but hello, I kept it. Yeah, Get the Hint was another color. Like the perfect pinky shade for tan skin tones. That's it. Get the hint. Get it. Get the hint, guys. Okay, next one is from Ulta, is the Monsieur Big mascara. I stocked up on that. I didn't have the waterproof last time, and so I ended up keeping this. I've had so many bottles of the Monsieur Big already just because they go on sale at Ulta almost every season. Monsieur Big by Lancome is another good one. Very volumizing mascara, and it's just one of my faves. Like when they go on sale, I'm on top of it. The last 2 items, guys, are from Fabfitfun Edit Sale during the Fall Edit Sale. By the way, I know you guys love to watch my Fabfitfun box. It's coming up. Winter is coming. I can't wait to show you guys. I am ready with my customizations, and I will have a full unboxing of Fabfitfun Winter 2022 for you guys in the next couple of weeks, so be on the lookout for that. But in the meantime, let's just enjoy this Sponge Animals. This is so cute, so new. This is perfect for gifting. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, gentle, clean for kids. Okay, so Spongel has come out with a kid version of their sponge. How cool is that? Now my daughter can finally use it because she feels that the Spongelle sponges are kind of rough on the skin, but it gets softer, guys, over time. But I love the initial exfoliation it gives me. But this one, it's softer and just more gentle on the skin. So I'm gonna see if my daughter's gonna like this. And it's butterfly shape. Hello, who doesn't want that? Next one, I think I got them for like, I don't know, $7. And I thought they were full-size items. So I got 3, but it turns out they're minis, which is not bad because look, I try a lot of skincare and this is a lot of product already. This is the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Serum. Milk is a very expensive brand, all natural, vegan, but I was on a hunt for more brightening skincare and this was just totally, oops, I broke it. It doesn't smell like watermelon, but it's very light. I love the color though. It looks like watermelon. I've never had a serum that is solid before, so I'm curious. Let's just try it here. Yeah, it's super smooth, it's clear. Honestly, it has no scent. I can list the ingredients here somewhere for you guys. Yeah, so let's see if it really does brighten my dark spots. But I'm excited. I got one for myself and I got 2 more. I don't think they were even $7. Milk Makeup. How cute is that? And I'm gonna be giving those to someone really special real soon. So I think that's it. Comment down below what your favorite item was. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.